Homeowners in the area are focusing on still majority of their power bill. They realise their power bills are going up, and as well as incorporating technology to be more energy efficient, as well as incorporating solar to reduce their cost in their power bill. So it's making it more affordable for the average homeowner to put solar onto their properties. Homeowners should consider quality, I think, as number one. These investments, they're an expensive investment for your house. You don't want to be installing cheaper products on your home that aren't going to last. So we tend to only install these quality products. We have that relationship with the customer that they know that they're getting a quality product, they're getting a quality installation, and we won't have to be going back in 12 to 2 years to replace any products. High quality products are very important as a qualified electrician and a solar installer. The technology's come a long way in the last 2, 3, 5 years. It used to be very plug and play. These days there's a lot of communications and monitoring as well as programming. So we really need to do the training in the products and know how to install these, and we can really customise that for the customer as well. So the monitoring side, the customers tend to really love, and the products that we use have really good monitoring platforms for that.